Welcome to Dharma Friday Incognito. This is a special edition in celebration of the Lunar New Year. We often hear the greeting Gong Xi Fa Kai, wishing you prosperity. But have you ever asked yourself what prosody truly means? Is it simply a growing bank balance, or is there a deeper energetic architecture behind it? Before us stands a classic image. 5 figures, 5 directions, 5 principles. In Chinese tradition, they are known as Wu Lu Chai Shen, the 5 gods of wealth. Today, however, we are not discussing idol worship. We are discussing mindset. What if these 5 figures are actually a code? A universal ethical framework for how wealth is built, protected, and distributed, from integrity and justice to loyalty. Let's examine each one and reflect on which direction may be missing from the compass of our own lives. We begin at the center, the core of everything. This figure is Wang Hai. In traditional depictions, he appears elderly and wise. He is regarded as the ancestor of merchants, credited with introducing structured trade using cattle during the Shang dynasty. But what is the universal value here? The center represents innovation and foundational integrity. Wang Hai teaches that wealth begins with solving other people's problems. He did not simply accumulate assets, he created a fair exchange system. The modern lesson is clear. Sustainable wealth must have a centered foundation. Is your product solving a real problem? Are your intentions aligned with ethical principles? Wang Hai symbolizes that entrepreneurship is the courage to create something new while remaining grounded in morality. If your central axis is unstable, any direction you move in will eventually collapse. Now we move east, the direction of sunrise. There we find Bi-gan. Bi-gan is known as the civil god of wealth. His legend is tragic yet profound. It is said that he had no heart. Disturbing? Not at all. It is a metaphor of high philosophical value. In professional terms, having no heart symbolizes impartiality, no emotional bias, no favoritism. Bi-gan teaches that in managing and distributing wealth, fairness must be absolute, whether dealing with relatives, friends, or strangers. The universal principles here are transparency and fairness. In the workplace, do you evaluate performance based on merit or personal closeness? In business, are your scales accurate? Wealth obtained through manipulation or nepotism cannot endure. The East represents light, and falsehood will always be exposed by truth. Now we turn west, to perhaps the most recognized figure, General Guan Yu. Strong, red-faced, holding a weapon, he is known as the martial god of wealth. Why would a warrior be associated with prosperity? The answer is simple: trust and loyalty. Guan Yu symbolizes promises kept. In modern business terms, this is creditworthiness. The most valuable currency in the world is not the dollar or Bitcoin, it is credibility. True wealth grows from networks that trust your integrity. If you borrow, you repay. If you promise, you deliver. The West, associated with the element of metal, represents firmness in principle. Without loyalty to principle, business is merely delayed fraud. Now we move south, the direction of fire and peak achievement. Here we find Chai Rong. He was an emperor known for his generosity. Chai Rong represents beneficial wealth. He was not a hoarder, but a distributor. The philosophy here is flow. Money is energy, and energy must circulate. Chai Rong teaches that the highest expression of wealth is the ability to give. When you give, you create space, and space invites renewal. Ask yourself, does your income stop with you like stagnant water? Or does it flow through you like a river? Southern wealth is about impact. How many lives improve because your business or career exists? Finally, we turn north, to Zhao Gongming. He is often depicted riding a black tiger. While other directions focus on acquiring wealth, Zhao Gongming focuses on protection and risk management. The north, associated with the element of water, symbolizes financial wisdom, especially in managing cash flow. The universal lesson is practical. You may excel at generating income, marketing, but if you cannot preserve it, finance and accounting, you will fail. Riding a tiger symbolizes mastering greed and navigating volatile market risks. Zhao Gongming reminds us of financial literacy, wise investment, insurance, emergency funds, and asset security. This is the defensive dimension of prosperity, often overlooked by the young and ambitious. The five gods of wealth are not mythological figures to petition for lottery numbers. They are a roadmap. Center, begin with intention and innovation. East, operate with transparency and fairness. West, build credibility and trust. South, circulate wealth to create impact. North, manage risk and protect your assets. As we approach the Lunar New Year, let us pray inwardly. Which direction within you remains dark? Are you fair? Are you trustworthy? Have you shared what you have received? True prosperity exists when all 5 directions are balanced. This is Dharma within economics. This is spirituality within transaction. If this episode offers you a new perspective, share it with someone striving to build their dream. Happy Lunar New Year. Gong Xi Fa Zai, Wan Shi Ru Yi.